Today I shall start exercise 6.5 question number 9. In question it is given AB, it is 8 meter height a window, height of a window, it is window, and AC equal to length of a ladder. A ladder is kept here, and BC equal to X, that is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of the wall. Okay, and this is to be determined because it is X which is to be determined. Now listen, AB is the height of a window and this is the ground, so it makes an angle 90 degree here. Must show in right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So it is 8 meter square plus x square equal to 10 meter square. 64 meter square plus x square plus 100 meter square. X square equal to 100 meter square minus 64 meter square. And we get 36 meter square. So x equal to root under 36 meter, that is 6 meter. So distance between the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meter. Okay. Now question number 10. Same math in question 10 also. AB equal to height of a pole which is 18 meter height and AC equal to length of a wire which is 24 meter and BC equal to X, that is distance between the foot of the wire from the base of the pole. Okay. Same math, it is this angle ABC is 90 degree because any pole makes an angle 90 degree with the horizontal ground. So in right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So 18 meter square plus x square equal to 24 meter square. So 324 meter square plus x square equal to 576 meter square. So x square equal to 576 meter square minus 324 meter square equal to 252 meter square. So x equal to root under 252 meter. You break 252, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 meter. So x equal to 2 into 3 into root 7, that is 6 root 7 meter. So BCX equal to 6 root 7 meter answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due to north at a speed of 1000 km per hour, and at the same time another aeroplane leaves the same airport due to west at a speed of 1200 km per hour, and after 1.5 hours their distance between the two flights is BC, that is X. So BC, the distance between the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours equal to X, which is to be determined. Now look, solution of first aeroplane. This is the first aeroplane. Due to north, speed equal to 1000 km per hour. Time is given 1.5 hour, that is 3/2 hour. And distance AB equal to speed into time. 1000 into 3/2 km. If we divide 1000 by 2, we get 500. So 500 into 3, 1500 kilometer. This is the AB is the 1500 kilometer. And now 1500, this is kilometer. And of second aeroplane due west, speed equal to 1200 kilometer per hour, time equal to 1.5 hour, and distance equal to speed into time. So distance AC equal to 1200 into 3/2, that is 600 into 3, 1800 kilometer. Okay. Now this is 1500 kilometer, this is 1800 kilometer. This angle is 90 degree because this is the north side and this is the west side, and between north and west angle is always 90 degree. So in right triangle BAC, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So 1500 km square plus 1800 km square. 1500 square, that is 225, and there is 2 zeros, so here will be 4 zeros, and 18 square equal to 324, and 2 zero, that is here will be 4 zeros, and after adding we get 549,0000 kilometer square. So x equal to root under 549,0000 kilometer. You break 549, 3 into 3 into 61, and there are 4 zeros. So how can you take out the square root? For 2 3 you write down 1 3. For 4 zeros you write down 2 zeros. So 300 and 61 will be in root. That is BCX equal to 300 root 61 kilometer answer. Okay.